Apple Health, Google Fit, or Fitbit, three of the biggest names in health tracking. But which one actually helps you stay healthier? These days, tracking your steps, heart rate, sleep, and even calories has become part of everyday life. Health apps don't just show you numbers. They keep you accountable, motivated, and moving toward your goals. And when it comes to the top contenders, it's a three-way battle. Apple Health, with its deep iOS integration, Google Fit, with its simplicity and accessibility, and Fitbit, with its dedicated wearables and advanced analytics. In this video, we're putting them head-to-head, breaking down their strengths, weaknesses, and unique features, so you'll know exactly which one tracks best for your lifestyle. Apple Health is the default health tracking app for iOS users. Introduced in 2014, it serves as a central hub for health data collected from the iPhone, Apple Watch, and third-party apps using Apple's HealthKit API. Rather than being a traditional fitness app, Apple Health is more of a comprehensive health dashboard. Key features. 1. Activity and fitness tracking. Apple Health tracks key physical activity metrics such as steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned, flights climbed, walking, and running pace. These metrics are captured either through the iPhone's built-in sensors or, more accurately, through the Apple Watch. 2. Heart health monitoring. Using the Apple Watch, users can monitor resting heart rate, walking heart rate variability, electrocardiogram, ECG recordings, and irregular rhythm notifications to detect signs of atrial fibrillation. 3. Sleep tracking. Apple Health allows users to set sleep goals, track time spent in bed and asleep, and analyze sleep trends. With Apple Watch, users get automatic sleep detection and insights into sleep consistency. 4. Mindfulness and mental health. The app supports mindfulness minutes, mood tracking, and mental health assessments like depression and anxiety screening tools. 5. Nutrition tracking. Through third-party integrations, Apple Health can track calories consumed, macronutrients, micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, and water intake. 6. Medical records integration. Apple Health supports health records, which lets users access lab results, immunizations, medications, and clinical vitals. 7. Cycle and fertility tracking. Women can use Apple Health for menstrual cycle tracking, fertility window prediction, symptom logging, and can get notifications for irregular cycles. 8. Medications and vitals. With newer iOS versions, users can log and manage medication schedules, receive reminders, and track vitals like blood pressure, respiratory rate, and oxygen saturation. 9. Mobility and walking steadiness. Advanced features, using motion sensors, provide data on walking steadiness, gait analysis, and fall risk detection, especially important for older adults. 10. Third-party integration. Apple Health connects with numerous fitness and wellness apps and devices. Data from apps like Strava, Fitbit via sync tools, Garmin, Nike Training Club, and sleep or diet apps can all feed into Apple Health for a complete health profile. Deep ecosystem integration seamlessly works with iPhone and Apple Watch. Comprehensive health data covers a wide array of health metrics from fitness to medical records. Strong privacy focus, storing data securely and locally. No subscription required. Core functionality is free to use. iOS only, not available to Android users. Less engaging. No built-in social or gamification features. Limited fitness motivation. Apple Health itself doesn't offer challenges or active coaching. The sheer volume of data can overwhelm casual users. Google Fit is Google's answer to health and fitness tracking. Built primarily for Android users, it tracks basic fitness metrics and syncs with third-party apps and wearables. It's known for its simplicity and emphasis on two main activity goals: move minutes and heart points. Google Fit automatically tracks various physical activities such as walking, running, cycling, and more. It uses sensors on your smartphone or smartwatch to count steps, estimate distance, and calculate calories burned, heart points, and move minutes. Instead of simply focusing on step counts, Google Fit introduces two unique activity goals: heart points and move minutes. These are designed in collaboration with the American Heart Association to encourage more impactful physical activity. Integration with other apps and devices. Google Fit seamlessly integrates with a wide range of third-party apps and fitness devices, including Strava, Nike Run Club, MyFitnessPal, Fitbit, Xiaomi Mi Bands, and Wear OS smartwatches. This allows users to centralize their health data, sleep and nutrition tracking. While not tracking these metrics natively, Google Fit collects and displays sleep and nutrition data from connected apps. This helps users get a holistic view of their health. Heart rate monitoring. When used with compatible smartwatches or fitness trackers, Google Fit can monitor heart rate during workouts or throughout the day. Journal and progress reports. The app provides a timeline-style journal and weekly reports, summarizing your activity trends to their fitness goals. Simple and user-friendly. Clean design and easy setup. HeartPoint system motivates users. Cross-platform support. Available on Android, iOS, and web. Free to use. No subscription model or hidden features. Fitbit App. Originally launched to complement Fitbit wearables, the Fitbit app has evolved into a robust health platform that covers fitness, sleep, stress, and overall wellness. Acquired by Google, it is now being positioned as a central health platform in Google's ecosystem. While many features are accessible without a device, the full power of the Fitbit app is unlocked when used with a Fitbit smartwatch or tracker. Activity and step tracking. Fitbit devices track daily physical activity, including steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned, and active minutes. More advanced models can detect specific exercises automatically. Heart rate monitoring. Most Fitbit devices come with 24/7 heart rate monitoring, providing insights into resting heart rate zones, and cardiovascular fitness over time. Sleep tracking and sleep score. Fitbit offers detailed sleep analysis, tracking sleep stages, light, deep, REM, and providing a sleep score that helps users understand their sleep quality and patterns. SpO2 and skin temperature monitoring. Select models track blood oxygen levels, SpO2, and skin temperature variations during sleep, offering deeper insights into overall health and potential illness. Built-in GPS and workout modes. Many Fitbit models include built-in GPS or connected GPS via a smartphone, allowing users to map their runs, walks, or bike rides. The devices also support various workout modes. Stress management tools. Fitbit Sense and newer models offer stress tracking features, including electrodermal activity, EDA scanning, guided breathing sessions, and mindfulness reminders. Health metrics dashboard. The Fitbit app displays a comprehensive dashboard with data on activity, heart rate, sleep, stress, and more. Premium subscribers gain access to deeper analytics and trends. Smart features. Fitbit smartwatches include features like smartphone notifications, voice assistants, Google Assistant or Alexa, contactless payments, Fitbit Pay, and music control. Dedicated wearable integration. Provides rich, real-time data when paired with Fitbit devices. Excellent sleep and stress insights. Among the best in tracking sleep stages and mindfulness. Social and gamified elements. Challenges and competitions with friends keep users motivated. Personalized feedback. Premium features offer wellness reports and fitness coaching. Premium subscription needed. Many advanced features are locked behind Fitbit Premium. Device dependency. Some core features, for example, heart rate, sleep stages, require Fitbit hardware. Privacy concerns. Some users have privacy reservations post-Google acquisition. Inconsistent iOS integration. Syncing Fitbit data to Apple Health is cumbersome. Choosing the best health tracking app depends heavily on your goals, devices, and how deep you want to go into your health data. Apple Health is the best choice for iPhone users who want a comprehensive health overview and care about privacy. It's perfect for users already in the Apple ecosystem and using the Apple Watch. Google Fit is great for Android users who want a simple, free, and no-frills fitness tracker. It's not ideal for serious athletes or those looking for deep insights, but works well for beginners or casual users. Fitbit shines for those looking for motivation, accountability, and in-depth tracking, especially in sleep and readiness scores. However, it comes with the cost of a device and a possible premium subscription. So, who comes out on top? Well, that depends on you. If you want depth and seamless integration, Apple Health is the clear winner. If you're after simplicity and zero cost, Google Fit gets the job done. And if motivation, coaching, and wellness insights matter most, Fitbit is the most engaging choice. At the end of the day, the best app is the one that keeps you moving, motivated, and consistent.